In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DCP in DaVinci Resolve. Start by opening your project. If DaVinci Resolve opens to the project manager, click the icon for the film you want to export, then load it. Once the project opens, you should see your timeline with video and audio tracks ready on the screen. Now go to the Deliver page. Look at the bottom of the interface and click the Deliver tab on the far right. When you are on Deliver, you will see the Render Settings panel on the left, your viewer in the center, and the timeline at the bottom. This page is where every export in DaVinci Resolve is set up. Set Format to DCP. In the Render Settings panel, find the Format dropdown. Open it and choose DCP from the list. When you pick DCP, several options will update, and you will notice settings like resolution and frame rate arranged for digital cinema delivery. A helpful detail is that DCP format expects very specific frame rates, so the available choices may be more limited than other formats. Next, choose the codec, Kakadu JPEG 2000 or Easy DCP if available. Open the codec menu and look for these options. If you see both, Easy DCP often includes extra compliance checks, while Kakadu JPEG 2000 focuses on the image encoding itself. Some systems only show Kakadu JPEG 2000, which is fine. Your DCP will still be valid for playback in most digital cinemas. Enter your film title in Composition Settings. In the Render Settings, look for Composition Settings and click to open it. There you can type the exact title that will appear in the DCP name. This title is what projectionists see when they browse content on a cinema server, so keep it clear and consistent with your release name. Once you confirm the title, the composition name field should now reflect your changes. Make sure Export Audio is enabled. Check the audio section of the render settings and confirm that Export Audio has a checkmark. If it is disabled, your DCP will contain only picture and be silent in the theater. Many beginners forget this, so always glance at the audio channels listed below to be sure at least one track is active. As soon as the box is checked, audio will be included in the package. Choose where to save the DCP. In the Render Settings, find the Location or Browse field and click it. Pick a folder on a fast drive with enough free space, since DCP files can be quite large. After you confirm the folder, the chosen path will appear in the location line, so you know exactly where your DCP will be written. Click Add to Render Queue. On the lower right side, hit Add to Render Queue, and a new job appears in the Render Queue panel. You should see the job name, plus details like format and location listed there. Finally, click Render All. Resolve will start building the DCP, and a progress bar will move across the job in the queue. When it reaches 100%, your DCP is complete in the folder you chose. You have just created a full cinema-ready DCP from your DaVinci Resolve project. So if this helped you get to a playable package, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Resolve tips.